So this is the Yamaha Malta. It's a 3 horsepower 2-stroke portable engine, weighs 17 kilos and has an internal fuel tank. This engine is the short shaft, but it's the same service on the long shaft as well. So the Yamaha Malta doesn't actually have any connection with the island of Malta. It's more of a habit that Yamaha have of naming smaller engines such as the Pacer and the Enduro. The name, I'm taking this from their website, and it says it invokes the ideas of travel, durability and exotic appeal. In this case, the Malta name was chosen as it brings up the idea of the seaworthiness of the engine, which is suited to Mediterranean style boating using small boats in clear water. So while this engine is 3 horsepower, it's ideally suited for calm waters and small tenders. However, it may be a bit underpowered for larger tenders. For instance, users have noted that in small tenders up to 2.5 meters, it can push a boat around at about 3 to 4 knots in still waters. But if you have any headwind or a tide, it can struggle. So that's just a quick overview of the engine. We'll take the lid off now and I'll show you the internals of it. So to access under the cowl, we have a clip here which we've released, and a clip here, and then the cowling can just be lifted off. So have a quick overview of the engine now. So this engine has neutral and forward. There's no reverse, but reverse is obtained by the engine can swivel 180 degrees or 360 degrees on its mount. We have the tilt lock or release. And around this side we have the sort of the resistance grip for the tiller. We have a fuel on-off valve with a data plate. This engine only has an internal fuel tank, there's no external fuel tank. Moving along, we've got the tiller arm with the twist throttle. On the back we've got the choke and the kill button. There's no kill cord, it's just a button. And then we have the recoil starter. So it's a pretty simple engine. The fuel ratio is 100 to 1, like I say, in that tank there. It's a single cylinder, spark plug here. And that's just a quick overview of this engine. So for this engine, the service items that we're going to do are, we've got the fuel tank. There's a little fuel strainer in it, so we'll change that. We're going to replace the spark plug, gap it, and also do a compression test. We've got the thermostat and gasket, so we'll test that and replace the gasket. Working down, we're going to do the water pump in the gearbox. So we'll have to disconnect the shift linkage here, remove the lower unit, change the water pump. I've got a full housing for it. We'll remove the prop, drain the gearbox oil, compression test. I'll do a pressure test and a vacuum test on the gearbox, and then we'll replace the gear oil and seals.